Hello, this is BWebJ. I'm here for a tutorial today how to make an origami flapping crane out of a regular 8.5 by 11 sheet of paper. So first of all, to start out, you want to take this. You want a square piece of paper. So you want to take the corner of the paper, fold it down like this, just so the line is right on like that. Fold it down, nice and neat, just like that. You get something like that. And you want to take off this excess paper you see right here. Flip it up so you can see it. Now, I'm just going to do it a quick way. So you can take scissors and cut this edge off, or you can do it by taking this paper, folding it over like that. I'm going to do down. Down here on this counter. Sorry. My brother's just saying something in the background. You can see him playing the Xbox. For all the creases, you want to put your fingernails really far into it like that. Basically, you want to take it back and do the same thing. And you put it down on a flat surface. Just want to tear it like this. Sorry, I guess you can't really see. You want to tear on that line. That's how I'm doing right now. Might come off track just a little bit, but it's really good. You should have something to open it up, something that looks like this, with a little dash in it. Sorry for the sloppy fold in there, but you could do it with scissors. Step 2, you want to take this paper like this and just fold it down in half.
I'm going to be right back to you, alright?
Fold it like this.
What do you want?
Get your nail in there once again.
Wow, why'd you
have a paper that looks like this. You want the next step. You want to take your paper, fold it in half. That's it.
Yeah. I don't know.
Should have, when you open it up, you should have a paper that looks like an X and a horizontal line running through it. Step 4, you want to take the paper, fold it.
Mr. Whiskey in my bed, and Mr. Father.
In half, like this, lengthwise. So you should, when you open it up, you should have something that looks like just like this. Now this is where it gets a little tricky. You want to fold this paper back on your diagonal line here, then you see a triangle. You can also see a square here with little lines through it. So you want to take a corner and literally just tuck right in to that corner. So tuck it in. See, my paper's not really that good, so you literally just want to tuck it in like this. Tuck your paper in like that. And it should, if you make good creases, it should fold right down on that line.
This is our first one.
Do that. That's something that looks like this. Once again, it's very sloppy in product. But you're going to get this.
Yeah. And the buzzer beater by Adrian Aldridge. I don't know.
You want to take the other side and just do this the same thing.
Yeah, I'm probably going to stop having it. I just know he's on the other team because he signed up and he's not mine. Yeah.
Should have something that looks like.
There's 2 HBA teams and there's Southampton.
Now, if you take a close look at this, if you make good creases, you should see a line straight past the paper, like a good crease. Now what you want to do is take this corner, take one of these 4 flats, and now, like, hold it in on the center line, something like that. So,
yeah, she's trying to play down.
so here's one flat.
Just you know, they'll probably like
Now do that for the remaining 3 of the sides.
I don't know, dude. They should have emailed you. Go ahead and I'll check it again or something. Oh, yeah. Chris Kamen.
After you finish that, you should have something that looks like a little, maybe kite instead of one of the 4 flats tucked in. Now this is where it gets really tricky at this part. You want to take, for the pedal, it's called a pedal fold. You want to take this and then fold it, like, I'll show you. Fold it in, like, down like that, like this piece down like that. Now, take this piece, flip it back off. Now, do that back, basically.
How come you and Carter didn't get bike riding yesterday? Were you afraid of little Wayne?
That. Now you want to open up, this is where the pedal fold. You want to unfold all four.
We were really riding in that.
Flat.
So we're going to go to...
like this.
We're going to go
and
to
you want to kind of tug up.
Yeah, what you guys doing?
Oh, you guys are playing black.
Tug up with this on this thing. Tug up. Now you hold up. Keep it down on this line. See, open it up. Now, if it doesn't open completely,
you eat each other?
You want to, like, fold it in, like that, like, on those little creases you can see, like a triangle.
Well, you know, the kind of boy, yeah.
I'll show you what it looks like after you do one.
Yeah, ball. Make the shit. And Ron Archess converts.
Yeah, this is
champions. We are champions.
very
I can play
tricky.
another layout. You cannot stop me in NBA 2K. And it's a block shot by Aldridge. He's on the fast break. And he puts it in with the ball on the other end.
You want to do the same thing for the next
That's
side.
a screw off a turn over there. And
Open
he's
it.
got 20 tonight, friends.
Open it up like this. Tug up. Keep it down on the fold right here. Like this.
Now the song says, get out of my house.
Take it, and these corners, if you don't like them, do not kind of crease inside and out.
Aldridge with a quick 3. Good shot watching, but it's
Put
good
it
to
in
go.
like that.
And here come the Clippers. That's
This way.
32 LA. LA as in Lakers, not Clippers.
Tug up.
The ginger, Chris Kamen. Handles the ball. I don't know what he's trying to do right now, but he's blacking like a spat. Kamen forces off a 3 and air balls. Nothing but air. He comes down with nothing. On that one.
This. Now,
Test
let me give
for
you a
3.
little time
And
here, and
it's no
you
good
can
at
also
short.
pause it. So, here you go. Next step. Take these things and do like 2 open flats.
He's going the
These
other way.
flats, you want them on the bottom of your figure. And you want to open up, this is kind of tricky too. Open up your figure on one side like this. Open it up. Take the bottom piece of the figure, fold that up on to the line. Like that. For one side, it should look like this. Then the next side, open, do the same thing from the next side. Open it up, take this flat, hold it up, like this. And then long creases. Like this. Now what you want to do is you want to take, open up, pull one of these things out, so it's about That's good. Pull back. This is making the body do your bird. Now you want to get the head. You want to take your better side. This is obviously, this side is pretty weak. This is my better side. You want to open this up like it's in half. Open it up. Push this down like in. Pinch the top of it. You should have your bird a little head there. Or something to the side. No, that's not anything.
He's like, we lost game, and he goes like, and he's going more rough, and then the other team. And
you have your little bird head there like that.
Then
you want to take the wings. Not like the Japanese crane, if you were heard of it. You don't want to fold them down. You want to fold them perpendicular to the neck. You want to kind of fold it. See, right down here, there should be a crease there. You want to fold that edge right down on that, perpendicular to the neck, in a 90-degree angle. If you don't understand what I'm saying, if you watch the video again, you'll see what I mean by perpendicular. And you take it like that. You do the same thing on the side, perpendicular with the neck, line it up, basically symmetric, and you're almost done. Basically just open it up like that, and you should have a bird that's flat, an origami flapping bird. Now here's an addition to the video. If you would like to make a stand for your origami flapping bird, please continue. If not, you can end the video right now. To make the stand, you want to open these two flaps on here, they're on creases. Just do the crease back. Do the crease back. Do the same thing for the next side. I don't have a table close to me, so I'll show you. You just
obviously,
put it right down on the table. And that's it. If you had trouble, please watch the video again. That's it. How to make the origami flapping crane. We'll be coming out with some more tutorials, maybe on paper planes, and maybe some more origamis. I'm going to credit this video to Rob H29. I learned from him. Have a nice day.